I want to show you how you can improve your learning abilities by a simple exercise. So when we learn and we want to restore that memory in our brain, and also when we want to remember it, we need to know that our brain functions are directly connected to our eyes. So we have 3 different versions of learning and remembering it. So you might find out what is your way to do it. You might even be a combination of all the 3. The first is the visual. This is when we look up, when we try to learn it or to remember it, the visual. Then when we look to the side, it's the auditive. And when we look down, when we learn, this is the kinesthetic. It's also for people who need to write everything down in order to learn it and to remember things. So it's very important that you know that your eye directions, all the directions that exist, are free, no blockage. And what a lot of people don't know is there can be blockages, and then that can prevent you from learning and from having a good memory and all those kind of things. Yeah. So let's say you had an accident, it might be ages ago and you don't remember it anymore, and the car came from the right and you saw it coming. So it might be that your eyes are blocked looking to the right, exactly here, and this might block then your auditive memory and your auditive way of learning things. And this is not good. So you want to get rid of this. It can also be connected to other incidents, of course. So what can you do? I give you a self-help practicing an exercise that you can do whenever you want. So you are moving your eyes with the clock and against the clock, clockwise and against the clock. Yeah, and try to do it slowly so that you really move into every direction that exists, into every corner, and observe what's easy for you to do and where you might have difficulties. And you do it as often as you can, and also while you're practicing something, while you might study something, you might want to give this information also to your children, to your friends, to your family and parents. It's so valuable. So I hope you like that and you have fun with it. And if you need a body organization or a cranial sacral technique that is especially for the eyes, please contact me. This is something that we can do in addition in a private session to find out where other blockages lie that you might not get rid of all by yourself. Thank you for listening. Bye.